Appy mobile app development platform review, usage, experience. Welcome to my review of the Appy mobile app development platform. In this video, we'll be diving into the key features, functionality, and overall user experience of the platform, so you can determine if it's the right tool for your app building needs. Don't forget to check out the links to the product in the description below. Appy is an intuitive, no-code platform designed to help users create mobile apps without any prior coding knowledge. It caters to a wide range of users, from small business owners and entrepreneurs to large enterprises looking for cost-effective app development solutions. The platform allows you to create apps for both Android and iOS, making it a versatile option for cross-platform development. One of the standout features of Appy is its drag-and-drop interface, which makes it extremely user-friendly. You can easily add features like push notifications, GPS, social media integration, and more. There's also a wide variety of templates available, which can help you get started quickly. The customization options are robust enough to ensure that your app stands out, but simple enough for beginners to navigate. For those concerned with scalability and performance, Appy offers real-time analytics, app testing, and integration with third-party services like payment gateways and CRM tools. The platform also includes app publishing services, meaning you can deploy your app directly to the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, all from within the platform. Appy also offers a variety of pricing plans, ensuring that you can find a plan that fits your budget and needs, from basic packages to advanced enterprise-level solutions. The support team is responsive and helpful, with resources available for both beginners and experienced developers. In conclusion, Appy offers an easy-to-use, feature-packed solution for anyone looking to build a mobile app without the need for coding. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking to create an app for your business or an enterprise seeking a scalable mobile solution, Appy delivers. Check the description for more information and start building your app today.